As we saw in the previous video, we were able to upload the video and move to the edit form or edit route. So in this lesson, we will create the form that allow us to edit the file, the video title, description, and so on. So let's jump into the code. Our work will be focused in this video on the edit video class and then the form as well. So let's prepare our properties that it's required for this modification. So in this case, in the class we will need public channel. I will need the channel because I'm receiving the channel, and also I need the video type record will be video, and I will need these two, of course, and then inside the mount function I will receive both of these, channel and video, and set them channel and video. Then what I will do, well, as we saw before, this dot channel equal channel that I'm receiving. Same thing for video. So I have both now with me. And also I will do the validation since we are here now. So I will do the validation as well using the protected rules equal an array. Inside the array we will have video description, video title. It's required. You can set max, for example, 255. And I will also need description. We can keep it nullable because it's not required, and once submitted we can keep 10,000 character, for example. Same thing for visibility. It will be required, and it will be in one of these things like private, and then public. Sorry, it will be comma public or unlisted. So this is the validation. So now let's jump into building the form, which will be under the video, be under Livewire, video and edit, but we're gonna use the channel edit as a template. Let's copy all of these and let's paste it all and do some modification because they are really similar. So I don't want the image. So what I will need also update here, update function. So I'll make update function here now on the class. Sorry, it will be, let me close edit channel. I will d1 okay update, and inside that it will be having it will be here the title of the video, and this one will be video dot title. I will need also the error here will be same thing. To save time, we are just copying this one, video dot title, and then I will have, instead of the slug, I will have a description, or this description is down, so I will remove the slug. I don't want the slug. So I have the description. It will be video here and video description, and then finally this is the file. I don't want this one as well, and I don't want the validation or preview. I don't want this as well, the image. Plus I have this button, and then I have the session. I will leave the session, which when it will set the update once updated. So I just missing one thing, which is basically description or visibility. So let me copy this one, will be visibility. Let me copy this one, visibility, and then for visibility, of course, it will be select, and I don't want the name. Okay, so I need to wire visibility. It will be, sorry, wire model visibility. Well, let me paste it here, and there'll be options here, of course, options. The value will be private, 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 and then copy it 3 times, public, and unlisted. So I have 3 options here: private, public, and unlisted, and also binding it with visibility. And if everything is okay, let's try one more and see if this is working. So it's working, but it's taking a lot of everything. I mean, taking this one, we need to keep it the same format, which is basically I'll copy everything and keep it in container and so on. But for the select, we need to add one class, which is form control, to have similar styling from Bootstrap. So if I go to create, for example, then I have, sorry, on the blade for create, just to do the same styling, I have everything inside a column or inside column. So I'll copy all of these container and row. Just copy this here, and then I need 3 divs to close 3 divs, div, div, and div. So let's refresh now. Yeah, everything is okay. Unlisted, none, private. So if I go here in the back end, just change this one to public and save. Let's see if it will work, or it could be the other record. Let me just go and see private or public here. Okay, it will not refresh. So let's go to the code and check what's going on. I think one thing here, it was wrong, so it be listed. And also on the edit, I think I missed here, on the wire should be video dot visibility. So when I refresh now, we should get public. So it's updated. So the last step is when I click on this one, then it should go to this method, which is the update. So let me close create, keep the edit here. So once the button is sent, it should go to the submit, and then this one should go as a form saying wire submitted, prevent update. So let's add something here like update die dump, and just to make sure this is working. So when I refresh and click on update, it will update, of course, or it will kick off that function. So very quickly now we will go and run some commands, which is basically the validation. First we will do this validation, this validate, okay, and then if everything is okay, then we'll do the update video record by doing channel or this video, because I have the video record with me, so I can run this command and then select or run the function update. Okay, it will be an array. So as usual, we'll do title, it will be this video title, description will be also description, and then visibility, it will be visibility. So what's wrong here? Yeah, I made a mistake here. This should be like this, arrow. Okay, finally we are about to be done, and then we can do flash, session flash, just to make sure that this is working also fine. So we can make session flash message. We run the message, for example, updated or video updated or whatever. So let's make this one, video was updated. So let's go and try, refresh, run. So session is not there. So what's going on? Something wrong here in the flash once more, and hopefully it works. So this is working fine. And then we can do this video test visibility private, then update, refresh. So the update is working fine on this video record.